Ginger, a versatile spice with a rich history of medicinal use, has gained popularity for its distinct flavor and numerous health benefits. Adding ginger to your daily diet can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the fascinating ways in which consuming ginger every day can positively affect your body. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the key compounds in ginger is gingerol, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Regular consumption of ginger can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms of chronic conditions such as arthritis and promoting overall joint health. Improved digestion. Ginger has long been used to ease digestive discomfort. It stimulates saliva production and suppresses gastric contractions as food and fluids move through the GI tract. This can lead to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and relief from indigestion. Nausea relief. Ginger is renowned for its ability to alleviate nausea. Whether it's due to motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or chemotherapy-related nausea, the immune-boosting properties of ginger can be attributed to its antioxidant content. Regular intake may help the body fight off infections, reduce the severity of colds, and contribute to overall immune system health. Lowered blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that ginger may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. This could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Cardiovascular health. Ginger has been associated with improvements in various cardiovascular risk factors. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and enhance overall heart health, thereby reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Weight management. Ginger's potential role in weight management is another area of interest. Some studies suggest that ginger may contribute to weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing feelings of hunger. However, it's important to approach weight management holistically, incorporating a balanced diet and regular exercise. Anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed, some studies have explored ginger's potential anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in ginger may help protect cells from damage and inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. However, it's essential to view ginger as a supportive element, rather than a standalone solution in cancer prevention or treatment. Exploring the long-term impact. Now, let's delve deeper into the potential long-term impact of incorporating ginger into your daily routine. Joint and muscle health. Regular consumption of ginger may contribute to long-term joint and muscle health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with conditions such as osteoarthritis. By reducing inflammation, ginger may help manage pain and improve mobility over time. Gut health and immune support. The positive effects of ginger on digestion can lead to improved gut health over the long term. A healthy gut is closely linked to a robust immune system. By supporting digestion, ginger indirectly plays a role in maintaining overall immune function, potentially reducing the frequency of illnesses. Cardiovascular benefits. Studies suggest that the cardiovascular benefits of ginger, such as its potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, could have lasting effects. By incorporating ginger into your diet over an extended period, you may contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system and reduce the risk of heart-related issues in the long run. Cognitive health. Emerging research hints at the potential cognitive benefits of ginger. Some studies suggest that its antioxidant properties may protect against age-related cognitive decline. While more research is needed in this area, including ginger in your daily diet could be a proactive measure for brain health. Weight management and metabolism. If ginger indeed has a positive impact on metabolism, as some studies suggest, incorporating it into your daily routine may contribute to weight management over the long term. Combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, ginger could be a valuable ally in maintaining a healthy weight. Antioxidant defense. The antioxidants in ginger play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative stress. Over time, a diet rich in antioxidants may help combat the cumulative damage caused by free radicals. potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with aging. Adaptogenic effects. Ginger has adaptogenic properties, meaning it may help the body adapt to stressors. Chronic stress can have a profound impact on overall health. By incorporating ginger into your daily routine, you may provide your body with additional support in managing stress over the long term. While the short-term benefits of consuming ginger are notable, the potential long-term impact is equally significant. As with any dietary change, consistency is key. By making ginger a regular part of your diet, you not only enjoy its immediate perks but also contribute to your overall health and well-being in the years to come. Remember that individual responses to ginger can vary, and it's essential to pay attention to how your body reacts. If you have specific health concerns or are on medication, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that including ginger in your daily routine aligns with your unique health needs. Embrace the journey of nurturing your body with the natural goodness of ginger for a healthier and more vibrant life. Tips for including ginger in your daily diet. Now that we've explored the potential benefits of consuming ginger daily, let's delve into practical ways to incorporate this superfood into your routine. Ginger tea. Start your day with a cup of soothing ginger tea. Simply steep fresh ginger slices or grated ginger in hot water. You can enhance the flavor by adding a touch of honey or lemon. This warm beverage not only tastes delightful but also kickstarts your metabolism. Smoothies. Boost the nutritional content of your morning smoothies by adding a small piece of fresh ginger. Its zesty flavor pairs well with fruits like pineapple, mango, or orange. The combination not only adds a refreshing twist but also provides a burst of vitamins and antioxidants. Cooking with ginger. Incorporate ginger into your cooking to elevate both the taste and health benefits of your meals. Grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups, sauces, and marinades. It pairs exceptionally well with various cuisines, adding a unique depth of flavor. Ginger shots. If you're looking for a concentrated dose of ginger, consider making ginger shots. Blend fresh ginger with a bit of water and strain the mixture to extract the juice. Add a splash of lemon or orange juice for added flavor and a vitamin C boost. Snack on ginger. Create a simple and healthy snack by combining crystallized ginger with nuts and seeds. This provides a tasty and convenient way to enjoy the benefits of ginger while satisfying your snack cravings. Ginger supplements. If incorporating fresh ginger into your daily routine seems challenging, ginger supplements are also available. However, it's important to choose high-quality products and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure proper dosage. Ginger in desserts. Surprise your taste buds by adding ginger to your desserts. Whether it's ginger-infused cookies, cakes, or even a ginger-spiced hot chocolate, there are numerous ways to satisfy your sweet tooth while reaping the benefits of this powerful spice. As you embark on your journey of incorporating ginger into your daily diet, remember that moderation is key. While ginger offers a myriad of health benefits, excessive consumption may lead to unwanted side effects. Listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Whether you're seeking relief from digestive issues, aiming to boost your immune system, or simply looking to enhance the flavor of your meals, ginger is a versatile and valuable addition to your daily routine. Embrace the holistic approach to health, combining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and the natural goodness of ginger for a vibrant and thriving life. Incorporating ginger into your daily diet can be a flavorful and health-conscious choice. Whether you grate it into teas, add it to your recipes, or consume it in supplement form, the potential benefits are numerous. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are on medication. Embracing the power of ginger can be a simple yet impactful step towards a healthier and more vibrant life.